This is the rechargeable video doorbell that is smart, so we could connect it to my Tuya app on the smartphone, and which connects to Google Home and Alexa as well. So I just paired it, so I'm just trying to test it now. As you could see, it is indeed ringing.
Wait for the configuration.
So now it is connected to the receiver. It also enables the IR movement, so we know what is happening and we can select it accordingly. It is rechargeable. I open the back, so these are the rechargeable batteries, and we can connect it using a micro USB cable right here. So I can let go of my old video doorbell, which takes non-rechargeable AA batteries all the time. A wonderful doorbell. Since it connects to Tuya app, I don't have to install another app because most of my smart devices at home run on Tuya app. Excellent piece of art for smart devices.